put it on me. Be a test drive, be a race, be a car, and be the rhythm of my eyes. Be a late night. But it was a false sense of falling. You couldn't have given me a warning. Well, maybe I'll still escape.
Kieran from Buxton Real Estate, ladies and gentlemen, here today at our latest lifestyle listing. This one's on approximately 21 acres, beautiful, charming, character-filled home, multiple paddocks, multiple dams, all within 10 minutes of Kilmore. Let's go in and check it out.